If you have such a log and you won't change the password or pin, it's very easy. So look at this. Currently my password is 1507. Now I am not able to open, and I am open. Now how to change? It's very easy. So this is the original condition. You need to scroll here, right, like this, and afterward you decide here which password you want require. So I just simply select here 00 and 0. So this line, afterward you can come back again here and fix. So look at this, it's fixed. If I open here, come back here 0, it's easy to change password if you have such a lock. It's easy.